A very warm good morning to all of you and my respected and presented all the students. Today we are gathered here for our presentation and we have our own respective topic, and as I choose my topic is social evils. That means we have seen a lots of things in our society that are doing, but that is not too good for our society, and all of these has their own perception about how they are doing, and they have no their moral ethics what they are want to doing. And so that I choose my content just like you can see that first one, discrimination, education, admission system, moral ethics, safety of women's, cleanliness, thoughts of society, conclusion. Last one is conclusion. My first content is discrimination. In this, I choose my first topic is wages. In these days, we have faced a lots of problems, like because of our livelihood. Because in this modern day, all the cost of products are increased day by day, and so we need a high wages to fulfill our dreams and to survive our life in a well manner. But in these wages, there is different wages for different person. Like a same work done by men and women, their wages are different for each other, because they think women are not doing so hard work as comparison of men, but it is not reality. They are doing the same work as women, so there must be a same wages for both. And second one is gender. It means there is discrimination among gender, because if you are a girl and boys, then you have to face a lots of problems, because in the terms of education, in the terms of going outside of a market, in the terms of job in many sectors. And not only this, if while you are going in the market, if you are girls and you are from any other sector, then you have to face discrimination among the person, because they start ragging to you and many other things. And job, in this era we have faced a difficult situation where job is very crucial for all the people, and but there is lack of job in the terms there is, so our government has provided a lots of scheme for the girls, so they can also get job for many sectors. And third is transgender. It means while they are going to the market, and some people are also coming towards them, and they are starting troubling them because of their gender. So, but it is not the reality of their gender, because it is not made by human beings, it is gifted by nature. So it is not their problem, it is by default he comes in that gender. And fourth one is caste. In this era, we know that caste is very huge problem in the world. In this local area, mainly in village side, you have to face discrimination among caste. If you are a Brahman, then you have to superior, and if you are a lower caste, then you are not as good and you are treated as very bad manner. If you are doing a good work for the society, but you are even discriminate from the person, like a sweeper who comes to sweep our road, he is doing a very good work for our society and he works for our health, but in the view of many persons, they are not a good person. They treat them as a very lower class person, because they are, and that is very bad for them. And religion, in this era we have seen that there is doing many, even politics is doing on the terms of religion, and many persons go to vote their religion representative, and this is not good for all them. And we have seen in the COVID pandemic time, there is while coming in the any Muslim person to buy something, then the people do not want to buy any products from them, because there would be a situation is created by our government that it is not good for our nation. And wealth, in this term many people are discriminated in the terms of wealth. If you are from a good family, it means your family status is too good, then you are respected in all the society, and many person comes to in your behalf. Means if you are wrong, then he is also coming in your side. If you are right, then if a person has no good status, then no person is coming in his side. And profession, in this era, in the professions, because professions means in the job idea, because I have also mentioned that a person who works like sweeper and drainage cleaner, he is not respected as a person who is respected as a teacher and many other doctor, but the sweeper is also doing a hard work for our society, our nation. Education. Mm, Education is crucial for build a good nation, and so poor education system. In this, we have faced a very critical situation in education system, because there is a lots of government school provided by our government to the student, for a poor student who have no available to go to private school. But there is lack of education system in our society. If you are going in a government school, there is number of student is not match the percentage of number of student in the school. Even there is no half percent of student present in the school. This is a fully lack of our education system, and so our government should take a very huge step on it to provide a crucial education for all the students, so they get a good knowledge and they build a good nation. And lack of inspection, if there is a good inspection by our government, so the inspection also going to a school to check how much students are coming in the school and how the education system is going on, and how much teachers are presented there, and what is the quality of teacher. So if they are focused on this, then the education system also increased, and it will be also good, it will be also increased by our DM. If DM is started such kind of things for his district level, then it will be also increased. And some person also is elected for our ward commission, ward parishad, and their domain. If they are focused on the education system, they also increased. Livelihood. In this term, there is a small child who is working in the dhabas, in the hotel, if you are even visiting in many ceremony, there is also in caterers there are many also a small age child to work, and they clean their plates. So I put a child is meant to learn, not to earn. It is quotation for them. And there is also many persons who have started to earn livelihood for their they started earning for livelihood their home. Like this, many person are starting, many students, many small child. If you are walking in the road, you can see that many small children who are taking a bag and started to picking the bottles and cans on the road for their livelihood, and they spend their life in a miserable way. That is not good. So our government take a very good step towards them. And costly education. If you are talking about the government school, as I mentioned that there is not good education system mainly in Bihar and Gangetic Plain region, then many people prefer to visit in a private school. But a private school is not too cheap to teach their children in that school. Like in that school, you have to pay payment like 3,000 per month, and their wages is not too good, so that they can fulfill their child dreams. And there is also many things in that they have to face a lots of problem. And fear and girls are other properties. Means there in this society there are many people who have fear that if their child is going to the study for any college, any institution out of state, they have to face problem for their girls. And because of this society, in the mentality of the person is not too good, and so we have to, if education comes on their mind, then the mentality of the person is also changed, and the parents have no fear to send their child to the other state for studying. And girls are other properties. There are many home where people think, why do we teach our girls? They are the other properties. And why should we do such kind of things? Why do we send their other state to education? Why do we give them a good education? That is very blunder things that are person doing. Fourth one is admission system. In admission system, we think that if police comes, then we are go from that place, because we think he will be arrested us and he will doing something wrong with us. But we don't know. We gave them our payment. They have got payment from our taxes. They work for us. We are not work for them. And they also work for our safety, not for our any harm. They do not harm us. But we have not such kind of things. And there is some things that's nepotism. If you are belonging from any administration system sites and any government sites, then there is also coming nepotism. If you are doing any wrong things, but you have not got any kinds of charges by them, and There is also doing many works by currency. If you have money, you have got all the things that you want. And if you have committed any crime, but you have money, then you have not any problems, because you can sort out a problem by money. Moral ethics. In the society, you have got to face many people who have their two different faces. First comes in your front of you, and they started to sing lots of things, like he is doing such kind of things for a brilliant things for the society and many things. But in the second part, while your things, they are also committed such kind of mistakes. They have not their own principle, what they told. They have to first focus what he told, then he have to sort out the problem that the society has. And responsibility. If you are in the society, there is no in the society, even in your family, there are many persons who are taking away from their responsibility. They didn't understand what is their responsibility towards their family, towards their work and many other things. They go far away from such kind of things. Trust. If you are trust in someone, and after some time it will be broken, because in this world there is many persons who are going towards money and many other things, because he has got good things from anyone, he will go their lines. And there is if you are trust in someone, it will be very harmful for any person. Morality and behavior in relationship. It means comes also a memes in the social media. It means the wicket keeper is the first person who out the batsman. It means the nearest person of you, he will be harm you most. And morality in the society, there is no morality among the people, because if you are an old age man, then he has no moral to help you, but he wants to only show off their own. If you are going towards market, any old person carrying goods, very heavy things and huge carry bag, then no one comes to help them. And even they are sitting in a bus and going transported from one place to another place, they are not help them. Behavior is the most crucial things for development of a human beings and for society. If your behavior is good, then you are very good in an institute and any other places in your life. Safety of women. In these days, we know that safety of women is a very crucial things for everyone, because a person is going to from marriage to other person, but from the dowry they have not fulfilled their desires. They started to vex their counterpart, and they have faced a lots of difficulties in their life. And a situation is created when they have to be. You have here to know that many persons have suicide for such kind of things, and it is very bad elements for our society, and it is not good. And in these days, rape cases also increase, because they haven't idea, because they have also a mother and sister in home, but they haven't fulfilled such kind of things. And dignity of women in the society. Dignity means what we have our own choice and we have our own respect, but in the society, a girl is going to other home, there is no dignity of her. In many home, not even all the families, in the some home, because of while they are going to other person, they have to forget their own desires, and they are only doing the things that their family, in-laws family saying, and they have to do such kind of things. Even they haven't do work like their wishes. Even if someone is wished that she wants to doing any job, but after marriage she has no wishes to such kind of things. And child marriage is the fully bad element for our society, because in these days, many people marry their child in the early age. It means before 18 years, and it is not good for the society, because after 18 they are getting maturity how they are wanted to do, and but such kind of things are doing for their parents do, because they think their child will be, while they are growing up, and dowry is also increased. So we have married this time, then such kind of will be not increased. Cleanliness. as we know that, and as we saw that in our society, many persons only want to clean their home, and they doesn't want to clean their surrounding places. Even if you are going towards in front of this house, you can also see such kind of things. And by this, we have to face a very critical situation in this era. First one is bad construction of road. In this time, many persons are coming in the first Ministry of Road Construction site, transport site is very good, and they make a very huge transport NH in a very well manner. The minister is Nitin Gadkari sir, who makes such kind of roads. And but in our local areas, just like a city road and many other village road, the road is not too good, and there you can find the road is also broken. If the road is making, after making of 3 to 4 months, you can see that the road is broken and there is no good road, and drainage system is also very poor, because there is lack of overflow of water drainage system, there is no covers on drainage. It will also increase the many diseases for the people. And many persons only clean their home, and but after cleaning the home, they throw the garbage on the road. But they doesn't know that if they throw garbage on the road, the garbage after coming in their home also. And fire on garbage, you can see that many places in the city, but the dump yard should be a side area, but in the city you can see that many dump yard between the city, and there is many fire for the decreasing of the garbage. They started to fire on them, but it was a very harmful for our environment, and it will also impacted on our food chain, because it is also consist of, in food chain it is consist of decomposers and many other things, and many birds and many animals and many food items and many animals. It is also increasing food system. But if any element is shut down, it means will be extinct from the food chain, it will impact on our fully food chain, and it doesn't know such kind of things, and it will also increase on impact on our global warming, because if such kind of things are doing in the our environment, our ozone layer will be reduced, and it will be harmful for ourselves. Thoughts of society. In our society, many persons behave like a coin, because if you are, means I want to give an example. If you wear a dress, there is coming two perception from the society. One said he has very money, so he is doing such kind of work, and second one, he show off the money, and many other things come from their thoughts. And if you are doing a good work for our society, but there are two kinds of person who are telling it is not good, and second was telling it is very good, and such kinds of perception coming from our society. And do not accept challenges and wrong perception. Even though in the society many persons are comes to know that they are only seeing other, how they are developed and how they behave in the society, but they doesn't know how they have effort for getting such kinds of position. They doesn't know how they are working hard for they get such kind of things. Only they see what is his position right now. They doesn't know how they work hard for getting such kind of things. And wrong perception, it means many persons come to know that they have their own perception. There is no any moral thing. That's what they are doing. They are only things, it is good, it is bad, only such kind of things. They are no good perception, and they have only thoughts that it is right, it is wrong for their own perception. There is no any scientific reason, and there is also no moral ethics behind such kinds of perception. And thank you. And lastly, I want to conclude my topic. In this topic, I want to say that while we are doing any work, we have to focus on both sides, not only one side. Means if you are giving a very good knowledge and very much power to women, in the second terms we have to also give same powers to men, because over giving power to women, if you are metropolitan city, you are living in metropolitan city, there would be doing very bad impact. You can see that bad impact of giving over power to the girls, because some girls coming in front of you and they are doing very wrong things you, and when they complain in the police station, then the police also arrested you even while you are not committed any crime. And second, I want to say that if you are talking about dowry, it means the parents should teach their child as much they doesn't need any things, and they choose their counterpart their own, because if they want to, if she is in a good place and she has a good knowledge, then they know what is wrong and what is right, and they choose what their wishes. And in the cleanliness, I want to say that many persons should clean their home, and they have to also clean their roadside area. They have to not fully, they have not to fully, they have not to fully okay, sir. And we have to know that our police is for our service, not for our any works. They are not coming for our doing any wrong things from us. And we have to, in our locality, in the, if a middle class family comes in the government school, they admitted their children in the government school, then the government school children, the government education system also increased. Even I want to give an example. In a middle class family, the family is also coming from a means service sectors family, like officer, means any private officer, and they know what is the importance of education. And even if their children is going to government school, they come to home, then they check their notebook, how they study in their home, in their school. If there is not good things come in the notebook, then they go to school for complaint. Because if you are going, if we send our children to the school for study, if they are not doing such kind of things, then what you are teaching in your home school? We send our our child to study in school, then where he is study? Such kind of problem will be sorted out. Thank you.
Give me the mic. I'll pass you. Okay, you have highlighted about the social evils, first part, and second one is all about your construction, cleanliness, and garbage, which are also very important in order to keep our country clean and green. So from the first topic, that is that pertains to your social evils. Actually, you know, all students or all people who are even not educated can say you that yes, dowry, sati, untouchability is not quite good. But if you see the reality in home or in practical, that is still following. So, do you think there can be the ways where we can walk the talk?
Yes, sir.
How? How is it feasible in this complex setup of society?
Sir, means if dowry is going on from our generation to generation, but it will be shut out. If we give a good education to our children and our brothers and sisters in their home, if you are in a good post, then what's need you to need a dowry? It means if you are in a good post, you know what is the importance of. You only want a girl, not money from them. If you want to marry with her, then you married with will be also from a temple and any other place, because if you have need money, then you also need to work hard, and you can earn money from your work. And if the mindset of many families is change such kind of things, if our child is not for dowry and we can get all the things from our sides, because in my home you can also see that many persons comes to and they say you are buying everything in your home, then where you can take the things that coming from your brother's in-laws home. Then my mom said we are not made our child for our things, because we have all the things, we doesn't need any kinds of things. And such kind of things will be changed. Even a person thinks that their other daughter is their own daughter and they are not their daughter-in-law, then the thoughts will be fully changed. They doesn't want any kinds of dowry.
Okay. Do you think Swachh Bharat mission is good? completed its job? Do you think so?
Sir, I want to first say that any mission will be completed which are for society. It will be only completed even all the persons are committed their job for the nation. If they doesn't do such kind of thing, that doesn't have been happened. Because if you are seeing in the front of your home, they throw the garbage on the road, then how can it will be completed? If all the people doing all the works for the nation, then it will be completed.
I'm asking about the program, not I'm asking about the behavior change.
No, sir, it will be not fully completed.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. It will be only completed in the bank of river Ganga. That is Varanasi. In the if you are visited the bank of river Ganga in the Matihani, there will be no such kind of things here presented. And similarly, there is also not complete. There is no also not such kind of things.
Okay, how can we remove some bad elements from the rituals or the religious practices which actually hinders our cleanliness in the society?
Yes, sir. Such kinds of things like polybags that we use, and it is polystyrene. That means it will be not decomposable in the soil, and it will be very harmful for our environment. And such kind of things are used in our, like if we are celebrating in Chhath Puja, there are many persons going to the ghat for taking many things in the polybags. But in our religious methods, we use carry bags like made of jute and the leaf and banana leaf. It is also used. But in the modern time, we are come and we are use a physical and a flexible life, and we want not such kind of things. We want to carry anything in a very well manner. So we want to we do such kind of things. But in the modern times in Japan, just like we use a plate that's made of leaf in the and before 2 or 3 years ago, you can see that many plates are coming from plate that's made of leaf. Such kind of things are also used in Japan for no, because so for a good ecological system, we can also use such kind of things our nation for a good ecological system instead of a thermocol plate.
Very okay. Very